this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com, and I'm making a video for Brian. Brian, I thank you for the question, and it's a great question about what do you look for on time frames for volume confirmation or non-confirmation to help you make a decision. Well, again, great question, and I'm going to show you something I love. I like to look at, right here, we're looking at QLD, but let's just do Alibaba. Okay, we'll just do this one. Let's assume that this was breaking out. In fact, let's do a real world. Let's do one right here. Avgo was breaking above, this is a daily chart. Avgo was breaking, or Broadcom, breaking above these tops right here. What do I look at? This is a daily chart. This morning, early in the morning, you can't see volume that heavy. So this is what I do. I take it down to the hourly chart. And right there, you can see, look at that volume on that first bar. But right near the open, I take it down to the 30-minute chart also. And you can see, this thing had good volume. In fact, there's another time frame that I use. I'll take it down to the 10-minute. Look at that. Look at that volume. Now, let's be pragmatic. Is it a guarantee it's going to work every time? No, nothing is. But common sense dictates it is good to have that volume in there because it shows us that people see what we see, and by Jove, they're acting on it. They're buying. And how is it reflected? Yes, it's reflected in price, but it's also reflected in that volume. They're voting. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks, and by Jove, they're voting. And we love that. So it's something that I look at all the time whenever I'm buying a stock. I want to see that volume surge coming into it on certain time frames, whether it be, again, a daily. Now I'm going to show you another great trick here. You're going to love this. One of my templates is right there. Daily, hourly. Look at this. Daily on the left, hourly on the right. I can scroll through there. Let's do something for us real quick. Hold on. Going to go back here. Going to go back here. And we'll just do this. And then we'll enlarge this so you can see this on this template. And look at Tesla. Daily on the left, hourly on the right. You see these clean tops going across here on the daily? We said, boy, if it takes that out on volume, that might be good. Look at that. Look at that volume on the hourly. Is that sweet? We'll take it down to a limit alert going off here. I'm going to mute my machine. There it is on 30-minute confirmation, the volume spike. We take it down to 10. Look at that. People voted when it pushed through that spot. Hold on one second. Sorry about that. So anyway, I have daily on the left and whatever time frame you want on the right. Either hourly or 30-minute is what I would prefer. Look at 10-minute earlier in the day. This is a great template to show us what's going on. Like this, see, you can say, oh boy, look at that right there. Well, there was no volume and it's not breaking out of anything on the daily. But this is a wonderful way, for a wonderful template for you to see, for us to see what's happening. So again, I have daily on the left and hourly on the right that you can switch to a 30-minute or 10-minute chart. And that helps me. You're like, well, I don't have the capability to do that, Pat. How can I do it for me? Well, it'd be really simple. Let's just do Tesla right here. Here's the daily. And you can say, you're looking at a daily chart on your system. I'm sure you have a hotkey. Here's the hourly. There it is. Here's the 30-minute. And here's the 10-minute. Look at the volume. Anyway, that's how I set it up. And I'll tell you, it works great. I love it. No volume, no buy. It's that simple. This just keeps us safe. Keeps us safe. We like volume. I always say this. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. I want them voting with me. I want them voting with me. And how is it reflected? In volume. Anyway, Brian, I hope it's a great question, and I hope this helps you, sir. And again, I love the template of right here. I'll show it again. Daily on the left, hourly on the right. I love this setup. It lets me see the price action on two different time frames to make good decisions. Anyway, Brian, I thank you for the question, sir. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a good afternoon, my friend. Thank you.